No spacers. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna install the 20mm spacers that I got for the STI. They are the Perrin performance spacers. I'll show you guys. This is mine. So I went ahead and got the 20mm spacers for the front and back tires. This is how they come in their box. It's another set here. But anyways, I went ahead and bought the torque wrench so I can go ahead and make sure that I get the correct amount of pounds torqued, because one thing about spacers, you want to do it right. You don't want to cheap out on your spacers, because it's very crucial that your tires don't come off while you're driving around, you know. So crucial. You don't want to have any room for errors with these. I have the little camera set up. We're gonna go ahead and lift the car and get started with this one. So let's get to it. It's just pre-mounted right now. I haven't tightened it up, but if you can see right there, 88 foot-pounds torque. So we gotta tighten these up to 88 to make sure that these don't come off. So here we go. This is our torque wrench, and it has numbers right here, if you can probably see them right here. So here's 70, here's 90. So we got to go somewhere near the 90 with the 88 pounds like I showed in the spacer. So we're gonna go ahead and put it towards the 90. Yep, it's locked. Has a lock and unlock button here. Hear that? That's the 80 pounds. So you don't want to do too hard. They are officially on, so that's what it looks like. 88 foot-pounds of torque. Make sure these puppies don't come off. First spacer is on. Pretty easy, pretty basic. But let me see how it looks. Do I like it? I think it looks pretty good. Tires are popping out nicely. Let me show. But I will do after pictures and more of the video. So we're just gonna get the rest of them on and I'll go ahead and finish this video. So there you have it. It was a pretty easy, basic installation. The car looks great. I love the aggressiveness. I love the way it looks wider. I love the wheels, so I didn't want to go ahead and just buy new wheels if I didn't have to. It looks super good, super beefy. Pictures don't even do it justice. Check me out on Instagram so you can see more updated pictures of the car. Next modification will be the under spoiler lip up in the front, because I do want to go ahead and get a splitter in the future. But the lip, I haven't gotten it. My girlfriend actually just ordered it for me. She knows that I've been wanting this lip because, like I said, you got to work on the front end too of the car. But stay tuned for that installation video. And yep, I'll catch you guys later.